Hello, I'm Robert Grande. Great cooking can be very quick and simple if you have the right ingredients on hand. One of my favorite on-hand ingredients is California figs. Fresh California figs, when they're in season, are so fabulous, but dried California figs are a delicious ingredient you want to have in your pantry all year round. When I want to add a little touch of sweetness to a dish or maybe a meaty richness, I always add a touch of California dried figs. I keep them in my pantry right next to my salt and pepper so they're always there when I want to enhance the flavor of a dish. Here's a fun recipe that everybody loves, chili con queso. We're going to make it with two cheeses, a melting cheese and a nice sharp cheddar. We're going to put this into a little saucepan. Then we're going to add a little bit of milk or half and half. And then we just add heat until it comes to a simmer and it turns rich and creamy. Now here's a little trick to take that chili con queso beyond delicious. I'm going to start with a little bit of white onion for a little crunch in the creamy chili con queso. Some Serrano chilies, or you can use jalapeno for a little bit of spice to make it tangy. Some beautiful cilantro for that kind of floury effect. And then, of course, the magic of our pantry, some dried mission figs, are going to give this a really kind of meaty, chewy texture to the chili con queso. We'll mix them all together. I'm going to add just a little bit of lime juice to it for that brilliant lime flavor, a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of pepper. And we have here, actually, is a delicious fig and onion salsa on its own. This would be great on top of tacos or on a hamburger. But what we're going to do is we're going to add it to our chili con queso to take it beyond delicious. So let's stir it into this creamy queso. Just give it a couple turns there. And it's ready. That's how you make something simple and great if you have the right ingredients on hand. So next time you're at the market, be sure to pick up some California dried figs for your pantry. Figs make a simple dish delicious. And when you think delicious, think figs. When you think figs, think California.